Sound check. Hello. Kulang sa bass. Kulang sa bass ang ano. Vocals ba?
Ang lighting, correct na? Tayo di natin ginapasigan. Natin sugada, oh.
And then,
Nasa tubang, dablo. In preparation for tomorrow's live stream. No na yung oras. Bray, what's the time? What's the time?
10:09.
Huh?
10:09.
Oh, now it's 10 o'clock here and everybody's preparing for the five
Sound
of
check.
us
Hello.
is preparing for tomorrow's
Sound
live
check. Hello.
stream. Hi, Bree!
hello. Sound.
We are preparing for tomorrow's event.
Was I surely sinking down?
Madrams sa
But the
madrams.
moon is slowly rising. Well, this whole world goes spinning round, and I still love you. So close your eyes. You can close your eyes. It's alright.
Okay naman sound.
And I don't know no love songs, and I can't sing the blues anymore. And I can't sing this song, and you can't sing this song when I'm gone.
Watch ka mo sa buwas Saturday sa
Another day.
Philippines 9 in the morning.
Can have a
Chitral.
good time.
Live stream ni Chito and Ilonggo and
Gotta
Ivy.
change the time away.
Rikari videographer.
You can stay as long as you like.
Practice pa lang.
So close your eyes. You can close your eyes. It's alright.
Timpla to ni Ivy lang kung ano ang
And I don't know no love songs,
volume
and I
control.
can't sing the blues anymore. And I can't sing this song, and you can't sing this song when I'm gone.
Kaya mo ka-practice, bro. Very sweet, gidya. Aring repertoire. Ka-third yun na nino? 8 p.m. tomorrow. Bel, ikaw bisa ka kwan sang Rainbow Connection ba? Amo gini, this is the seat for Brie. Since we started planning for the live, I've been always telling both of them, this will be the seat for Brie.
It ain't no use to sit and wonder why, baby.
Nice, yeah, song. Nice song.
Anyhow, it ain't no use to sit and wonder why, baby. If you don't know by now, when the rooster crows at the break of dawn, look out your windows and I'll be gone. Ikaw bibilang yung mga pa. Sa si Caputrino.
Ano nga song to that? Ano to nga song?
Rainbow Connection.
Hindi ang atog ng bagulang, bagulang.
Think twice.
Ay, di why dayo?
Solo na.
Di why ko din sila?
Pwede mo na yung ano nga.
Ang Rainbow Connection na ya. Come on, Louie.
Saktong to ang mga fanpage.
Nagabaho ka na, Dabel? Ano man? Wala?
Kaya ko
ka na da, pro.
Hindi ah.
Ano ba?
Doon may kapo ni Trim.
Or gina-solo mo, ikaw nagagitara.
Kito ka ano po eh. Diba?
Oo.
Ah,
Hindi ba last time yung solo mo lang langga?
Yeah, parang parang hindi na ko namdam ano yung himo ko yun sa
Hindi pwede, duwa ka mo mag-gitara, tay.
pwede man eh.
Para daw mas dabong la, mas matian.
Hindi mo ginagawa.
Ay, may gaho.
Why are there so
It's about rainbow.
Ganit ma-prepare ko tayo sa gitara para liban mo ang uliyo. Liban.
Sige na, pakanta ka. Pakanta ka bilang ga.
Tulay naman.
Kaya yung sa G ko ginakuha eh.
Ah, sa G glit.
Ti, anong
May
gitara?
patangin ka na dami oh.
Diin.
Rainbow Connection G.
Oh, ti.
Brady, you wanna sing?
Kanta ka, Bibel? Anto ganyan kinakanta yan sa may auto, ah. Langga,
Sweet
te.
child, sweet child of mine.
Langga. G, ano yung rainbow
Down my
connection?
mind.
Yan ang
Ano
rainbow
rainbow
connection.
connection?
G.
G. Kanta ka, Bibel? Kasi kung hindi ka naka-memorize.
Why are there so many songs about rainbows? What song?
No, Mi.
Other side?
Sa duwa ka mo mag-gitara.
Rainbows are visions, but only illusions. Rainbows have nothing to hide. So we to see. Hindi ko namdam sa ano. Di ba G mo lang ang tumarta? Yan ano yan. Great.
Tuyo na sa bell.
Okay.
Sleepy? There's a comforter there. I'll get it. You feel cold?
Said that every wish would be heard and answered. Wished on the morning star. Somebody thought of that, and someone believed it. Look what it's done so far.
Practice pa lang niya.
What's so amazing that keeps us stargazing?
Tanaw ka mo buwas. Live
What
ni.
do you think we might see?
Buwas na to. June 12. Saturday, 9 a.m.
Find it,
Philippine time.
rainbow connection. Lovers,
Yes,
dreamers, and
Sa US siya, Friday, June 11 at 8 p.m. Live stream.
you've been half asleep.
Sa Philippines siya, June 12, Saturday.
I've heard them
9
calling
a.m.
my name. Is this the sweet sound that calls to young sailors? The voice might be one and the same. I've heard it too many times to ignore it.
Practice pa lang ni ha. Practice pa lang
Something
ni.
that I'm supposed to be. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection. Lovers, the dreamers, and me. Lovers, the dreamers, and me. Lovers and dreamers and me.
Ah, wala
Nice.
Okay.
Wala sang lalalala. Oo. Kaya i-prepare nyo isa ka gitara para
Okay na yung song, di ba?